Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another eventful day on this one, but I will say that from a presentation standpoint, this is a relatively tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within, 10 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, sure, from these highs, there's been a larger pullback, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time, and that's going to be the viewpoint that I'm talking about things right now. Now, as I speak, the price is actually up around $62, but the thing with that is it's still it's post-market, and then you have all of pre-market. So, I mean, where is this thing ultimately going to, open up? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But the point here being that I'm just going to take it at face value. And the reason why I would still call the overall chart perfectly fine, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come down here to, let's just say, this level at the 58.50 mark, again, not saying it'll occur, but price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, from the big picture, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you would still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. Again, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can continue with the uptrend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.